These packs of pastry go out of date today. So in today's video, I'm gonna make 3 super easy chocolate-filled pastries that I'm gonna make today, ready for Easter weekend in a few weeks' time, that I can cook straight from frozen. So before you start, make sure you take the pastry out of the fridge for at least 10 to 15 minutes to come to room temperature so that it's easier to roll out. Now first up, I'm gonna make some really simple chocolate bunnies. So to make these, I cut 2 pieces of pastry into equal sizes and smothered one of the pieces in chocolate spread. You then lay the second piece of pastry on top to form almost like a lid, and then slice the pastry into strips. You then roll the strips until roughly halfway, and then roll the other half to make ears. I think these are super cute. Just bear in mind that you might need to pinch the ears together every 10 minutes or so whilst they're baking, just to help them keep their shape, otherwise they'll spread out. And next up is cream egg parcels, and honestly, making these couldn't be more straightforward. Just cut the pastry into squares, pop the cream egg in the middle. I've only used mini cream eggs, but then you just fold the corners of the pastry to make a little parcel. And last but not least, Kinder croissants. So to make these, I cut the pastry into triangles. I found it helped to place the Kinder at the base of the triangle before I cut it, so you could cut it to the right size and then just cut into triangles. Then just roll up the pastry, and as you roll, the pastry ends up looking like little croissants, and you curve the edges to get a crescent shape. And if you have any offcuts when you're making any of these croissants, make sure you don't get rid of them. If in doubt, just smother them in chocolate and roll them up. And there we go, 3 super easy Easter breakfasts ready to go that the kids will love. Now I've coated these with egg. You could of course use milk, and then I've just popped them onto a baking tray lined with baking paper, and once they're frozen solid, I'll put them into a freezer bag and cook them straight from frozen on Easter weekend. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and whilst you're here, make sure you check out my cream egg stuffed pancakes video too, because they turned out so much better than I ever could have imagined. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for lots more cooking tips, advice, and recipes.